hailing China's achievement of eradicating extreme poverty as a miracle. Cambodian academic Joseph said in an exclusive interview with Xinhua that the Communist Party of China has led China to achieve countless great achievements.
From the Belt and Road Initiative to the vision of the building a global community with a shared future, China has provided a clear blueprint for the global development which has transformative effect on both Asia and the world. The Communist Party of China, CPC, has led China to achieve countless great achievements in economy, diplomacy, poverty alleviation, anti-corruption, social protection, and innovation. For my personal view, high economic growth, poverty eradication, effective anti-COVID-19 pandemic are the most impressive achievement under the leadership of the Communist Party of China. The CPC has led China to lift hundreds of millions of people out of the poverty, and China's achievement for eradicating extreme poverty is a miracle in the world human history. It is admirable that the Communist Party of China has given top priority of the people's needs such as education, employment, social security, medical service, housing, environment, and culture. Under the CPC leadership, China has become a major contributor to world peace, stability, and development, and the key promoter of the international cooperation and multilateralism.